are working on a True 22 from the Steel Magnolia. Make sure you check the description below for a discount code on your next purchase. We have it prepped and painted white, and then we're going to add just a very thin layer of epoxy so we can apply our glitter using the epoxy method. We are going to coat the whole cup in this glitter called Black Light, which looks like a white opal, but it glows in the dark blue. Now that epoxy has cured a couple hours, you are going to coat your cup until smooth. Now you're going to cut out your damask pattern, and what I have found is easiest before you apply it to your cup is to remove the backing from the whole pattern, and then once it's all removed, you're going to actually place it back down on your pattern. This just helps to transfer to the cup easy instead of finding the backing. Before you apply this large decal to your tumbler, you're going to just wrap it around and make sure the top and bottom is covered and that your pattern matches at the seams, especially on a cup like this, which is a True 22 and it's slightly tapered. I had to warp it a little bit in the silhouette program, so just tack it down a little bit, wrap it around, and make sure your pattern fits correctly. Once you have your pattern all lined up, we're just going to start folding back the backing a little bit. And then how I like to apply it is I just leave the backing on, but just keep pushing and rolling my cup, and the backing of the decal just naturally comes off. Once your decal is applied, start removing the transfer tape really slowly, making sure that all those little pieces stay tacked down to your cup. Once you have your decal fully applied, take your cup and spray it white. Once your paint is all dry, we are going to take a makeup sponge and some alcohol ink. I'm starting with my lightest color first, called B52 from Woody's Goodies. I just apply it in stripes with my makeup sponge, and then we are going to let this dry. Once that first color has dried, I just gave it like 5 minutes or so. It dries really fast. We're going over with a darker alcohol ink. This one is Fade to Black from Woody's Goodies, and we're just going back over with the makeup sponge until you get full coverage. And then we're gonna make sure this one's good and dry, giving it about 15 to 20 minutes until we move on to the next step. I am taking some 91% alcohol on a paper towel, and we are going to remove some of that alcohol ink now, just pushing lightly, starting from the bottom to the top. And we aren't pushing super hard, we're just kind of removing that top layer on that vinyl to lighten it up to reveal the pattern. Once you have lightened that up to your desired shade, we're going to go in and pick off all those cute little skulls to reveal that white glitter that glows blue in the dark. And here is our finished cup in the dark. Look at those cute little skulls. I just love them so much. They glow blue. And here is our cup in the light. I think this is just such a fun cup because you can use it for Halloween, or it's versatile enough that you can carry around all year long. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust. And thanks so much for watching.